Imagine you're scrolling through your social media feed and come across a post from a friend who just got certified as a VIPS professional. You might wonder, what exactly is VIPS, and what kind of accreditation does it offer? Let's dive into that question and explore the world of VIPS accreditation. VIPS is a mobile payment solution that has gained immense popularity in Norway. It's a convenient and secure way to make payments for various goods and services. VIPS accreditation. VIPS offers accreditation for professionals who want to specialize in using and promoting its platform. This accreditation can be beneficial for individuals working in fields such as finance, retail, or technology. Types of VIPS accreditation. VIPS Professional. This is the basic level of accreditation that provides a solid understanding of VIPS and its functionalities. It's suitable for individuals who want to use VIPS in their daily lives or for businesses that want to accept VIPS payments. VIPS Expert. This higher level of accreditation is designed for individuals who want to become experts in VIPS and its applications. It requires a deeper understanding of the platform's technical aspects and integration possibilities. VIPS Partner. This accreditation level is for businesses and organizations that want to become official VIPS partners. It involves meeting specific requirements and collaborating with VIPS to promote its services. Benefits of VIPS accreditation. Enhanced knowledge. VIPS accreditation provides individuals with a comprehensive understanding of the platform, including its features, benefits, and best practices. Career opportunities. Having VIPS accreditation can open up new career opportunities and improve job prospects in fields related to mobile payments and financial technology. Increased credibility. Being a VIPS certified professional can enhance your credibility and reputation as an expert in the field. Networking opportunities. VIPS accreditation can connect you with other professionals in the VIPS community, providing valuable networking and collaboration opportunities. How to obtain VIPS accreditation. The process for obtaining VIPS accreditation typically involves completing online courses, passing exams, and meeting specific requirements. The exact steps may vary depending on the level of accreditation you're pursuing. VIPS accreditation in action. Let's explore some real-world examples of how VIPS accreditation can be beneficial. For instance, a financial advisor with VIPS accreditation can provide their clients with expert advice on using VIPS for their financial transactions. A retailer with VIPS accreditation can ensure that their business is equipped to accept VIPS payments and provide excellent customer service. VIPS accreditation offers a valuable opportunity for individuals and businesses to gain expertise in mobile payments and leverage the benefits of the VIPS platform. Whether you're looking to enhance your career prospects or improve your business operations, VIPS accreditation can provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.